Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing something a little different. We're diving into the world of mind-blowing facts. Stuff that sounds totally made up, but I swear it's 100% true. Get ready to have your minds blown because some of these facts are seriously unbelievable. You won't believe some of these, so make sure to stick around till the end. All right, first up, we're tackling the world of fruit, and let me tell you, things are about to get wild. You might think you know your fruits, but prepare to have your mind blown. Get this: bananas, totally; berries, strawberries, not even close. It sounds like a joke, but it's all about the science behind it. I know, right? Mind blown, but it's true. The botanical world is full of surprises, and this is just one of them. You see, a berry in botanical terms is a fruit that comes from a single flower with one ovary and multiple seeds. This definition might be different from what we commonly think of as berries. Bananas fit that description perfectly. They develop from a single flower with one ovary and contain multiple seeds, even though those seeds are tiny and not very noticeable. Strawberries, on the other hand, are what's called an aggregate fruit, meaning they develop from a single flower with multiple ovaries. Each of those little seeds on the outside of a strawberry is actually an individual ovary. Crazy, right? So next time you're enjoying a banana, remember you're eating a berry. And when you bite into a strawberry, think about all those tiny ovaries you're munching on. The world of fruit is more fascinating than it seems at first bite. This little nugget of knowledge is just the tip of the iceberg. There are so many more intriguing facts about fruits that we often overlook. So keep exploring and keep questioning what you think you know about the foods you eat every day. Who knows what other surprising truths are out there waiting to be discovered? Stay curious and keep your mind open to the wonders of the natural world. You never know what you might learn next. Okay, get ready for this one, because it's going to blow your mind. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Just think about that for a second. Every single beach, every desert, every sandbox, all the grains of sand combined, and still the stars outnumber them. Yeah, you heard that right. It's not just a wild guess, it's based on scientific estimates and observations. We're talking about a number so big it's almost impossible to imagine. It's like trying to wrap your head around infinity. Scientists estimate there are around 10 sextillion stars in the observable universe. That's a 1 followed by 22 zeros. To put that into perspective, if you tried to count to 10 sextillion, it would take you millions of years. It's a number so vast it almost feels abstract. And get this, the number of grains of sand on Earth is estimated to be around 7.5 quintillion. That's a 7 followed by 18 zeros. Even though 7.5 quintillion is an enormous number, it pales in comparison to the number of stars. So yeah, there are way more stars out there than grains of sand. It's mind-boggling. The universe is truly vast and full of wonders beyond our wildest imagination. You know how much I love a good challenge, right? Well, I've got one for you. Try to make honey go bad. I'm serious. Honey is the only food that never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are thousands of years old, and guess what? It's still edible. Honey has this amazing ability to last forever, thanks to its low water content, acidic pH, and natural enzymes that kill bacteria. It's basically nature's perfect food. Chapter 4. Alright, let's talk about Venus, the second planet from the Sun. This planet is wild, and not just because it's incredibly hot. On Venus, a day is actually longer than a year. I know, it sounds crazy, but it's true. Venus rotates incredibly slowly, taking about 243 Earth days to make one full rotation. But here's the kicker. It only takes Venus 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. That means a year on Venus is shorter than a day on Venus. Talk about a long day! Chapter 5. Octopuses are some of the most intelligent creatures on Earth, and they've got the heart to prove it. Literally. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 of their hearts pump blood through their gills, while the third heart circulates blood to the rest of their body. This unique circulatory system helps them survive in the deep ocean, where the pressure is intense. Plus, did you know octopuses have blue blood? It's true. Their blood contains a copper-rich protein called hemocyanin, which makes it blue. These creatures are amazing. Chapter 6. We talked about how many stars are in the universe, but get this. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Can you believe it? Scientists estimate there are over 3 trillion trees on our planet, while the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to have between 100 and 400 billion stars. That's a lot of trees. It just goes to show you how incredibly diverse and full of life our planet truly is. Spiders might seem small and creepy, but their silk is seriously impressive. Pound for pound, a single strand of spider silk is stronger than steel. It's true. Spider silk is made up of protein fibers that are incredibly tough and flexible. In fact, it's 5 times stronger than steel of the same weight. Scientists are studying spider silk to try to replicate its properties for use in everything from bulletproof vests to artificial tendons. It's amazing what we can learn from nature. Okay, this one might sound crazy, but it's true. Humans share about 50% of their DNA with bananas. I know it sounds wild, but hear me out. We share a lot of the same basic building blocks of life with all living things, including bananas. The genes that control things like cell growth and reproduction are very similar across different species. So while we might not look or act like bananas, we're more closely related than you might think. The Eiffel Tower is one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, standing tall in the heart of Paris. Millions of tourists flock to see this architectural marvel every year, capturing its beauty from every angle. But did you know it can actually grow taller in the summer? Yes, you heard that right. The Eiffel Tower, which is already an impressive 324 meters tall, can gain a few extra centimeters during the warmer months. It's true. The Eiffel Tower is made of iron, a material known for its unique properties. Iron, like most metals, has the ability to expand when it gets hot and contract when it cools down. When the summer sun beats down on the iron structure, the heat causes the metal to expand. This phenomenon is known as thermal expansion, and it's a fascinating aspect of physics that affects many structures around the world. During the summer months, the heat can cause the Eiffel Tower to grow by as much as 15 centimeters, or about 6 inches. This might not seem like much, but it's a significant change for a structure of this size. That's like adding another story to the tower. Imagine the engineering marvel that allows such a massive structure to adapt to the changing temperatures without compromising its integrity. Then in the winter, it shrinks back down. As the temperatures drop, the iron contracts and the tower returns to its original height. This cyclical expansion and contraction is a testament to the resilience and flexibility of the materials used in its construction. It's amazing how much temperature can affect even the largest structures. The Eiffel Tower's seasonal growth and shrinkage are just one example of how the natural world interacts with human-made marvels, reminding us of the incredible science behind everyday phenomena. The clouds might look light and fluffy, but they're actually incredibly heavy. A single cumulus cloud, which is the kind that looks like a big, puffy cotton ball, can weigh over 1 million pounds. That's like having 100 elephants floating above your head. Clouds are made up of tiny water droplets or ice crystals, and even though each droplet is small, there are trillions upon trillions of them in a single cloud. All that water adds up to a lot of weight. And there you have it, folks. 10 mind-blowing facts that sound fake but are 100% true. We talked about everything from bananas being berries to clouds weighing millions of pounds. It just goes to show you that the world is full of surprises and there's always something new to learn. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.